Welcome to the broadcast. David Agodoa is the sign language interpreter. We begin in the education sector, where the close to 1 month strike by lecturers in public universities has been called off with a 9.6 billion shilling offer from the government for the implementation of the 2021-2025 collective bargaining agreement. The University Academic Staff Union has announced that lecturers will return to work on Monday, bringing to a close a months-long labor headache for the government. Ibrahim Karanjana reports that the government has now devised a new way to contain the strikes in future.
For 25 days, circumstances forced these lecturers to choose the streets instead of lecture halls. Subsequent meetings to resolve the deadlock hit a dead end, but Saturday, the stalemate was unlocked.
The University Academic Staff Union is convinced that the government acceded to what we wanted, and therefore officially call off the strike that started on 29th October 2024.
This after successful discussions between the University Academic Staff Union UASU and the government through the Inter-Public University Council's Consultative Forum IPCCF. UASU says it is satisfied.
We want to thank the government for accepting to avail 9.6 billion for the CBA of 2021-2025. I want to impress upon lecturers that we should prepare to resume classes on Monday. We should also prepare to arrange with the university management and senate to cover the time lost so that the students can get quality education.
We have had a long time, and it's very good that we have come to the last day where we are signing both the return to work formula and also the CBA.
Aside from striking a deal to fill gaping holes in the 2021 to 2025 collective bargaining agreement, they have also laid grounds on how to agitate for the implementation of future CBAs, especially doing away with individual chapter-based negotiations to national-level negotiations.
Chapter-level CBAs, which were being negotiated at university level, including aspects other than basic salary and house allowance that were in arrears, will continue where circumstances permit, but come 2025-2029 CBA, all negotiations will be at national level but not at individual university level.
Education CS Migos Ogamba calling on a proactive approach in future to forestall any paralysis in the lecture halls.
We've also committed to ensure that we start negotiations of future CBAs at the beginning of their cycle, not at the end of their cycle. Because when we do negotiations at the end of the cycle, it brings difficulties in budgeting for the resources that are required to ensure that that CBA is implemented. So going forward, all our unions in the sector will be negotiating their CBAs at the beginning of their cycle and not at the end.
The end of the lecturers handing government a much-needed reprieve after months of labor crisis. Ibrahim Karanja, NTV.